AI can help organizations migrate to the cloud from their legacy platforms by taking a step-by-step approach to the problem and ensuring that they have full visibility of that process. Typically, the first step would be to engage with the customer and understand how that legacy system is set up and how best to extract the data without causing an impact to their users, especially when there are concerns around the load on the system and the potential impact that could have to users or the infrastructure, which it could be out of support. We work to understand what data needs extracted and maintained when migrating, such as metadata and content. During the migration, we want to ensure that the critical data is migrated, but we're not migrating data for the sake of migrating data, as this may just bring across legacy issues into the new platform, which we want to avoid. Testing and pilot migrations are carried out with the organization to ensure that data is migrated in the format that the organization expects, in the locations that the organization expects, and with the right metadata that the location expects. This testing is critical to ensure that when users do go live, they understand how the new system will be used going forward and not have a break in productivity as they get up to speed with the new platform. AI Data Lift can also stage the data outside of the legacy platform to ensure that the bottleneck that is often caused by extracting data from that legacy platform is not a concern during the migration. This means that the period between a user going live on a new system from whenever they have been told not to use the legacy system can be reduced and reduce the amount of impact there is to the productivity of those users. Lastly, we provide full reports of the migration to allow auditing of all the data that has been migrated to the platform, but also we provide reports of what has not been migrated through choice, such as identification of rot data. This provides a defensible disposition for the organization going forward if someone was to question why data was not migrated.